Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make the viral TikTok onion chips, so let's get started with the video. Begin by cutting 2 yellow onions into thin slices. Then when you're finished, set your sliced onions to the side. Next, on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, add a layer of shredded Parmesan cheese. Then place the sliced onions on top of the Parmesan cheese. Next, season the onions with seasoned salt, pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. Then lightly brush or spray the onions with olive oil. You're actually supposed to do this before you season the onions, but I forgot. Now bake the onions at 400 degrees for 20 minutes. Once the onions have finished baking, let them rest for about 5 to 10 minutes and then cut them into pieces. And that's it, you are all finished. Now all you have to do is plate it up. And this is the finished result. These onion chips make a great snack and the recipe is super quick and easy. And I definitely recommend eating the chips with a side of ranch. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!